2, 3. Whoa, what's up? Whoa. What's up, WONG FAM? Welcome back to another episode of WONGspiration. I'm joined with my new friend, Nolan Clark. Mr. Clark. He is 6 foot tall, as you can see. Oh my boy. I'm only 5'5". Dude, you are tall. So we figured that we don't really know each other that well.
At all.
I don't know him. Do you know me? What is my favorite food? See, he doesn't know. But we thought that the best way to get to know each other is
handcuffs.
And how do you say handcuffs in Vietnamese?
I don't know.
How do you say challenge in Vietnamese?
Challenge.
It is 8:59, guys. We're starting at 9 a.m. Are you ready? Are you ready? Vietnam border. Vietnam. Okay, he's not responding. Alright guys, we have 1 minute on the clock. Oh, I'm kind of nervous. How do you feel? Okay, 9 a.m. on the dot. We are starting right now, okay? Do I have the key?
No.
I don't know.
We'll get it pried off.
There we go. You're first.
Hands to feet.
Oh my goodness. I'm having second thoughts. 1. Oh,
It's tight.
oh boy, how do you even Okay! Woo! Vietnam food! Okay. Xin chào! This is off to a good start. That was not bad. And then
A couple.
10 minutes later, we're like, ugh. First location is District 4 Market. We're gonna get some reactions. Let's go! We're getting crazy reactions. Look at this. Ah! Wow! Popcorn! Okay. Hello!
Do you mind if we videotape? We were doing 24 hours with handcuffs.
What? No.
Not together.
No.
We met maybe 1 month ago and only for maybe 5 hours.
Yeah.
5 hours, 1 month ago. We do not know each other.
I don't know him.
I don't think so.
I don't think so. Is it good or bad? In Vietnam? No.
No. Well, thank you very much.
Yes. Okay, Nolan, say a prayer for us before we get on the streets. All right, hallelujah. He's gonna drive with one hand. We're going to Bun Tan. Wait a second, how am I? Bring this down. Okay, how do you feel, Nolan? Oh my goodness. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Okay. All right, guys, we're in District 1, walking to Ben Thanh Market. Hello. I should say Xin chào.
Let's go
Xin chào.
that way. Go to the security guard that I talked to.
Okay, why?
That way he might let us in.
Oh. Hey guys, we have a question.
So we're handcuffed for 24 hours.
What do you guys think of this challenge? Basically, people get handcuffed for 24 hours to get to know each other really well.
Oh, do you not know each other?
I don't know this guy. Like a month ago for like 5 hours. I think we are like 2 hours in-ish, an hour. Yeah, I mean, we're still doing fine.
So far.
You are. What is that?
We can't try. Can we try? No. Stuck.
Anh ơi trên ăn không?
Oh!
No, no.
24 hours.
Okay, we're stuck. What do you think?
I have you.
Help! Help!
Oh my god.
One new Wong fam, guys.
24 hours. I was on there.
Oh boy. So you're tracking. Like, I didn't just see that.
How's it going?
What are your names?
Jacob.
Wait, America?
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm from Texas.
Oh, nice.
You guys?
Oregon. We're doing it.
Only 2 hours in.
So have you slept like that already?
No,
No.
only 2 hours in.
Only 2 hours.
Oh, 2 hours in? Nice to meet you. Nolan.
What was
Josh.
Josh and... Oh no! Guys! You got it on camera! Put it back. It's not 24 hours. Got it?
I think so.
I think so. I mean,
That'll do.
yeah. Just no more handshakes.
No more handshakes.
Simon.
Don't break it.
I'm Gillian. And
I'm Ben.
Gillian. Ben and Simon.
Nolan. Nice to meet you.
We're filming a YouTube video. What do you think of this?
Well, I'd say there's definitely sexual connotations to it. You're love and that you're bound to one another.
We don't know each other.
Yeah, we're strangers. Okay, guys, so Nolan has to use the bathroom. Okay, and I have no choice but to follow him. So here we go, restroom.
Perfect.
Oh, you were right.
It's literally perfect.
Okay, censor. Oh, okay. This is my first experience. Wait, sorry, what do you want me to do? Okay, I know. Yeah, I'm not, you do it, bro. Okay, guys, we're all dressed to the nines. Nolan over there looking fancy. Ready? Right hand, left hand, round 2. No, you're please. Okay. Alright, guys, we're gonna go to class. And work. What? I lost the key. I lost the key. Okay, hey guys, it's literally 9 p.m. right now. It has been 12 hours since we started the handcuff challenge, and we're about to part ways. Would you do this again with me? Okay, Nolan, come on in. Okay, guys, this was a really difficult challenge. I would not recommend it, especially not in Vietnam. But thank you so much, Nolan. Thank you so much to my class for being awesome. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember. You're right. I'm Wong. What do you do? Look at you. Feel my grandma. Oshi and Archie. You're right.